Hello student, welcome in 9th standard. In this video, we are going to learn our English first poem, Walk a Little Slower. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपल्या 9वीच्या पुस्तकातील ही पहिली कविता, अतिशय सुंदर अशी ही कविता, वडील आणि मुलगा यांच्यातील एक सुंदर नातं या कवितेमध्ये कवीने सांगितलेलं आहे.
Walk a little slower. This is a poem by an unknown poet. In this poem, a child is talking to his father. The importance of the father as a role model is the central idea of the poem. Throughout the poem, walk is used as a metaphor for the journey of life. So friends, I am reading the poem. Walk a little slower, daddy, said a little child so small. I am following in your footsteps and don't want to fall. Sometimes your steps are so fast. Sometimes they are hard to see. So walk a little slower, daddy, for you are leading me. Someday when I am all grown up, you are what I want to be. Then I will have a little child who will want to follow me. And I will want to lead just right and know that I was true. So walk a little slower, daddy, for I must follow you. So dear friends, first I am explaining first stanza of this poem. Walk a little slower, daddy, said a little child so small. I am following in your footsteps and I don't want to fall. Explanation. In this stanza, the child requests his father to walk a little slower. It means that the child wants to understand the actions of his father better. The child adds that he is following his father's footsteps, means the child wants to follow the same way of life. The child does not want to fall, means the child does not want to be a failure in life. Hence, the request to slow down. In this stanza, we comes to know that the speaker of this poem is a small child and he is requesting his father to walk slowly because the child is too small to understand his father, and the child says that he wants to know his father's actions, like how he speaks, how he walks, how he does his work, how does he face the problems in life. So he requests his father to act slowly so that he can copy him, and he wants to be a successful person like his father. या कवितेमध्ये एक लहान मूल आपल्या वडिलांना विनंती करतो आहे, बाबा थोडं हळू चला, मी तुमच्या पावलांवर पाऊल टाकत आहे. म्हणून ज्या काही क्रिया तुम्ही करत आहात त्या हळू करा, म्हणजेच मला त्याचे आकलन होईल, असे तो आपल्या वडिलांना सांगतो आहे. ज्या पद्धतीने त्याचे वडील जीवनामध्ये यशस्वी झाले तसेच त्या मुलालाही यशस्वी व्हायचे आहे. म्हणून तो आपल्या बाबांना विनंती करतो आहे, बाबा थोडे हळू चला. Now, dear friends, second stanza of this poem. Sometimes your steps are very fast. Sometimes they are hard to see. So walk a little slower, daddy, for you are leading me. Explanation of this stanza. The father is doing many successful tasks in his daily life. Some of them are very difficult to understand for the child because child is unknown to the world's many things look very difficult to the child. Sometimes the father takes very quick decisions and actions which are not noticed or understood by the child. Hence, the child says, walk a little slower, Daddy. You are leading me. Means the father is the child's role model in life. He wants to follow on the path of his father. Means the child complains his father that his actions are very fast. So it is difficult to understand to the child. That's why he is requesting his father that do the action slowly as he is his role model. His father is a leader for him. कवी म्हणतो, बाबा, कधी कधी तुमची पावले अतिशय वेगवान असतात. कधी कधी मला ती दिसतही नाही. वडिलांच्या कृती, त्यांचे वर्तन समजणे त्या मुलाला कठीण जात आहे. अशावेळी त्यांनी आपल्याला समजावून सांगावं, स्वतःबरोबर सांभाळून पुढे न्यावं. आणि म्हणून तो म्हणतो, बाबा तुम्ही थोडं हळू चला, कारण तुम्ही मला मार्ग दाखवत आहात, तुम्ही मला योग्य दिशा दाखवत आहात, तेव्हा तुम्ही थोडं हळू चला. Now friends, third stanza of this poem. Someday when I am all grown up, you are what I want to be. Then I will have a little child who will want to follow me. Explanation of this stanza. The little child adds that when he is grown up, he wants to be exactly like his father. And in future, when the child will have a little child, that child follow in the footsteps of his father. The child has starts. He wants to teach his child what he is learning from his father. He doesn't want to make mistakes while guiding his child. So, to understand his father, his actions, his manners, his decisions better, the child is requesting to be a little slower. कवी म्हणतो, ज्या वेळेला मी मोठा होईल, मला तुमच्यासारखं बनायचं आहे. नंतर मलाही एक मूल होईल जे माझं अनुकरण करेल. जसं मी तुमचं अनुकरण केलं, तेच मूल माझ्या मार्गावर चालेल. कारण प्रत्येक पुढची पिढी ही मागच्या पिढीचा आदर्श ठेवत असते. तेव्हा बाबा हळू चला, मला तुमचे विचार, तुमची कृती, तुमचा जीवनाकडे बघण्याचा सकारात्मक दृष्टिकोन, तुम्ही जीवनामध्ये कशा पद्धतीने यशस्वी झालात हे सगळं जाणून घ्यायचं आहे, समजून घ्यायचं आहे. कारण मलाही माझ्या पुढच्या पिढीला त्यांच्या जीवनाच्या प्रवासामध्ये योग्य मार्गदर्शन करायचं आहे. तेव्हा बाबा तुम्ही हळू चला, असं हे मूल आपल्या वडिलांना सांगत आहे. So friends, last stanza of this poem. And I will want to lead just right and know that I was true. So walk a little slower, Daddy, for I must follow you. Explanation of this stanza. The child further adds that he wants to lead his future child just as the way his father leads him now. So it is important to make sure that he leads his future child in the true way. For that, the child must now understand his father's actions better. Hence, the child requests his father again to go a little slower. कवी म्हणतो, मला ज्यावेळी मूल होईल तो माझ्या ह्याच मार्गाने चालेल, जो योग्य मार्ग आहे, खरा आहे. तोच मार्ग मला माझ्या मुलाला दाखवायचा आहे. त्यावेळी मला हे जाणणं गरजेचं आहे की मी माझ्या बाबांच्या मार्गावर चाललो, तो मार्ग माझा बरोबर होता. तेव्हा मला तुमच्याच मार्गावर यायचं आहे. तुम्ही मला योग्य मार्ग दाखवा, जो मार्ग मी माझ्या मुलाला दाखवेल. आणि यासाठी बाबा तुम्ही हळू चला. This poem is a request of the child to his father. For him, his father is a real hero and he wants to observe and imitate the life of his father. Therefore, he is requesting his father to do action slowly. ही कविता एका मुलाने आपल्या वडिलांना केलेली एक विनंती आहे. त्या मुलासाठी त्याचे वडील हेच खरे हिरो आहेत, खरे आदर्श आहेत आणि म्हणून तो आपल्या वडिलांचं अनुकरण करू इच्छितो आणि त्यासाठीच तो आपल्या वडिलांना विनंती करतो आहे की बाबा, टू डू ॲक्शन स्लोली, म्हणजे तुम्ही जे जे काही कराल ते हळूवारपणे करा, हळू करा, जेणेकरून मला ते समजेल. वॉक अ लिटल स्लोअर डॅडी. थँक्यू.